Hello from the car, which feels a bit like a mobile office today. Well, the season of colds and flus and bugs is upon us in London, and I am beginning to succumb. I'm trying to fight back, but I'm not sure I'm winning. So I've got a couple of meetings here in London this morning, and then I am heading back to Wales, where my husband is sick in bed with a cold as well. Oh, did I tell you, we've got no heating and no hot water, and we're not having the boiler repaired until tomorrow. Hallelujah! Welcome to the autumn.